My name is Praneeth. I am from Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. I have been an aeronautical graduate. I passed out recently in 2020. So I have always been excited about drones. So I have always been striving to work in that way. So I worked as a UAV ground engineer for the past 3 months in a reputed company, and I always wanted to become a certified pilot. So I was looking for options where I can get a pilot license. So while I was surfing the internet, I came across this Telangana State Aviation Academy, which is giving us a DGCA certified drone pilot license and a training for enthusiastic individuals. Like these 5 days, I can't really tell you. We were trained on drones. We custom built a drone. We assembled drones. And for the past 2 days, we are flying in Nadargal airfield, which has been always a wonderful experience. They have some fear in their mind, like it's illegal in India, kind of stuff like that. But never fear, because nowadays drone industry is a booming industry. So you better get into this and give your future a bigger boom. Thank you.